Today we are here back on the East Coast celebrating another historic milestone, the first wafer starts of our 1-alpha technology node, the most advanced memory technology node ever produced here in the US, right here in Manassas.
You know, what we do here at Micron Technology, Virginia, is really about the spirit of strengthening America's future.
And the most advanced DDR4 memory being built right here in America by the only American memory company.
So while we're grateful for what this means in terms of national security, et cetera, we're really happy to see this as an anchor for this community and for you and for your families.
To the workers, to the engineers, to the manufacturers, to the customers, you are the face of 21st century American manufacturing.
The competition doesn't slow down, it only gets faster. And so that means we got to speed up our pace too. You're helping us do that. You're putting a great brand on Virginia by making this investment.
I know what it feels like to come home and look for an employer who sees that service as an asset, not just a line on a resume. Micron gets it. Thank you for taking care of our veterans.
Through our historic $200 billion investment, spanning Virginia, New York, and now Idaho as well, we are turning that commitment to concrete results. Collectively, these investments will create 90,000 jobs and structurally fortify the global technology landscape.